What up, everyone? Crypto Marxist, aka Bone Army, coming at you. If you like the Shiba Inu ecosystem, you're in the right place. All right. So, first of all, let me just say my bad. I haven't been posting too often. My desktop is extremely slow. So every time I try to get on, I get frozen. So I just honestly, I need to just upgrade and get a new one. Honestly, that's the next thing. But with that said, since I haven't been posting videos, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys an update covering it all. All right, first of all, we're gonna cover Bitcoin. What do I have in the background? I have the Halving 2024 block reward schedule. Okay, so in 166 days, 18 hours, 47 minutes, and 7 seconds, Bitcoin's block reward will be reduced from 6.25 to 3.125 Bitcoin per block. Okay, that will be around April or so. So expect this to be the bull run leading up to that, and then expect a crash after that, and then expect the real bull run to begin all the way till 2025. That is normally what occurs historically. Is that going to happen right now? I don't know. I'm just telling you guys what history has shown us and how you guys can position yourselves. Of course, this is not financial advice, but if you guys have been following my channel, you guys already know we have been hitting some of those marks, been positioning ourselves for the next bull run. All right, let's go ahead and check out Coin Market Cap. Let's see what today's cryptocurrency prices are by market cap. In fact, the global crypto market cap is sitting at $1.42 trillion, up almost a half of a percentage point over yesterday. That's crazy high. First of all, I don't think it's been that high all year. So that's actually an all-time high for the global crypto market cap as a whole. All right. So just keep that in mind. Let's go ahead and see what the prices are. And of course, we are going to check Bitcoin. I just want us to check some of the uh, other altcoins that do challenge Bitcoin. Right now, Ethereum is the main one that does challenge Bitcoin. Some people call Bitcoin the store of value, like digital gold, and other people liken Ethereum to like the electricity of the blockchain for that, like a type of supercomputer, the global computer, as some people call it. Okay, so they're different, but at the same time they unite with interoperability. Eventually, I see all cryptos coming together. So let's check out what we have. Let's go ahead and give some props to some of these other cryptos though. Solana been on a tear, up 40% over the past 7 days, almost at 60%. And I really don't see it stopping until it reaches like 100. Honestly, it's one of those. Cardano definitely started to spike up, sitting at 39 cents. I could definitely see that hitting $1 pretty soon. Okay, Doge at 8 cents, moving as well. Chainlink, one to keep an eye on. But if you are part of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, in a way, that's our competition, because what Fund is doing, what Unification is doing, X Fund, and eventually Wrapped Fund is doing, is going to replace what, well, not replace. There's enough space for everybody, but is what Shiba Inu and Shibarium with Unification is trying to do is basically create a decentralized system of oracles. In fact, an oracle of oracles. Okay. So that's very important, especially for the future of crypto. We see that Shiba Inu sitting at a 17.55% increase over the past 7 days, sitting at 509269. Okay. About to lose a zero based on what I've seen the chart do over the past month. Also, one to keep in mind, Avalanche, extremely undervalued, $15.77. That one was trading at over $200, I remember. So just keep that in mind. And I remember they inked up some pretty big deals. So let's go ahead and check out Bitcoin real quick. Bitcoin sitting at $37,140. All right. So down, the volume down about 38.32%. But what's going on is that the supply is dwindling. So if you actually, even right now, just look, what is this? Is this the 7 day or the 1 day? This is the 1 day. Wow. Look at this. Already you can see this curve occurring right here. If a cup formed right here, look at this. And now you have a handle forming right here. You guys know what happens after that, right? It's going to go up, it's going to go down, and it's most likely going to shoot back up to where was this right here? This was about 37.3. It's going to probably bounce to about the between 37.3 and 37.4 is going to be the next leg up. Okay, really don't see this going down right now with all the buzz talking about the ETFs from BlackRock, from now ARK Investment and all that good stuff. So we are going to cover bad idea and all that stuff. Let me go ahead and see what's going on. So Dylan, why is bad the only coin going down, bro? This is insane. I'm telling you, the devs are scamming us so hard. All right, I've never seen a new coin being listed 8 exchanges, just constantly going down. Devs are selling. No more excuses for these scammers. Yo, Dave D, I appreciate you, man. Smash that like if you are watching this right now. Help me spread the word that I'm on. Help me with the algorithm. If you are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that sub. Hit that bell so you are notified when I drop new content and when I am live. Okay, with that said, though, Dylan, just addressing, let me just give a little background because people don't know who you are, Dylan. So, Dylan is a whale in bad idea. Here, let's just get to bad idea for Dylan. I did want to reach this. I did want to talk about um, this article right here. Can Bitcoin reach 100,000? And I have another one predicting sheep. So maybe I'll skip this one because I know you guys are more interested in bad idea. So let's see what bad idea is looking like today. All right. Like I told you, I did um offload some of my bad idea position. I still have some, but I have my minimum goal right now. It is going down, and that is something to keep in mind. But don't forget, Poloniex was hacked. Okay, and some of the tokens hacked happened to be bad idea, and they sold them. So right now, if you look at the chart, in fact, look, the chart looks like it's about to take off, bro. Like every time you come on, look. So look, you have. All right, let's go ahead and go through some of these vitals, man, just so you guys can see. This is actually looking healthy, bro. It's actually looking healthy. This is one, in my honest opinion, bad idea is one of the hidden gems that people are sleeping on. Don't forget, the market cap is only sitting at $19.84 million. Okay, at the point of me saying it. Okay, volume is down only 1.37 million. All right, so at number 738 just in volume. So the volume is actually higher than the market cap. That is not good because normally market caps follow the volume. Okay, but still, it was, look at this, going down. So it's actually going up, and it's actually shooting up as I speak. Is this a higher high? This looks like it could have double bottomed right here. This looks like a W formation. In fact, as we check this out, let me see what we got over here. Hold on. Let me go ahead and check this out real quick. Um, Dex tools. Let's go to Dex tools real quick, just so you guys can see my charts. All right. First of all, I've told you guys that it has been trending downward. Okay. Let me see if we have any more comments real quick. Just because I know sometimes I forget to go to the comments. I got 100x on spooky Shiba punks. Up 1,000 bone. Damn, that's awesome, bro. Hey, you know what? I've been looking at them, man. I've been looking at them. They're kind of expensive. They're like at 300, $400 right now. I was looking to purchase one, but I might have missed that boat. Even though it's still cheap, I see them going to 1,000. All these, let me just tell you guys something, not financial advice, but the Shiba Inu NFT marketplace, all the ones that are related to major projects, I believe are at least a 10x, minimum 10x, minimum 10x. So I'm just putting that out there for you guys. I'm not talking about get every single thing that comes out, but some of the projects that are out there, like the spooky Shiba punks, the regular Shiba punks, the Shib Dream, the Toad Soup, another underrated one. Okay, so just something to keep in mind. And of course, there's different categories and different ranks when it comes to those projects and rarities. So if you do end up getting some of those, try to look at which ones are rare, what traits, characteristics, and then from there try to cop one that has at least one of those traits. Of course, at the end of the day, when everything goes up, the floor is really what matters, but you do want to maximize. So if you do have a rare trait, you will be able to capitalize on the rarity of it and not just sell at the floor, but probably sell between halfway, um, between the floor and the average high price, not the ridiculous price, because there's always someone trying to sell it for 1 million bone or 10 million bone or something crazy like that. All right, cool. With that, let me just say congratulations to Dave D for coming up with the Shiba Punks NFT. Okay, the spooky ones. That one is a dope one. I actually had it. I was looking at the Chucky one because that was where they released on only four at a time or something. I don't know. It was kind of weird. I wasn't able to look for the Jason one. That's the one I wanted to look at. All right, cool. With that said, let's go ahead and check out my chart. What does my chart say? So, and first of all, I have two different charts. All right, this one you guys can see. Look at. I've had this over here. I've had this over here. Look at this. Completely charting it. I haven't even. In fact, I can go to a video, which I won't go to, but I can go to a video where I had this plotted. And right here, all these are old. All these are old. Look at this. All this are. In fact, you guys remember I told you guys it was trending down. It was trending, and then it started to go even faster down. So I actually had the buy zone right here. Okay, I had the buy zone, but then there was a spike. It spiked up, shot up. I did not do any analysis because even though Bitcoin is trending upward, a lot of these moonshots, and this is the part where Dylan is messing up. Honestly, if Dylan wants to come up, I would say I mean, if long run, go ahead and hold and stop complaining. That's point number one. Point number two, if you're trying to get in and come up right now, these meme coins are not the play right now. Okay, the altcoins, the large altcoins, large cap altcoins like Ethereum, like Avalanche, like Solana, like Cardano. Okay, those are the plays right now. So you're going against the grain, bro. Is that you're first of all you want to get to phase 4, and we're barely entering phase 1, phase 2. Okay, so that's one thing. Okay, you have to understand where we're at. So let's see what this is looking like. Like I said, this has potential too. So it is, look, constantly going downward, constantly, look, going down, downward, down. Okay, because the star of the show right now is Bitcoin. It's not these little moonshots. Okay, so I'm just saying though, if you want to get out, I wouldn't recommend it, but understand what you're in right now. You're going against the grain. You're mad and saying that the developers are scamming when Poloniex just had a hack and the hackers sold off that idea. That's why they had this huge drop right here was when it was just hacked like yesterday. Do you know that? That's the what so are you accusing now the developers of being in on the hack or what? See, it doesn't even make sense, Dylan. Like, just think about what you're saying, bro. You sound silly, bro. That's what I'm saying. All right, cool. So let's go ahead and put now this downward trend right here. You see, once again, it's going. You can see the downward trend right here. Unless this trend is broken, now we see this next channel forming right here. Okay, we see this channel forming right here. Okay, and this actually, the only thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna expand this over here because I do expect this to hit like the 28 level. This could actually hit. Now we're over here. So let's probably gonna go over here somewhere. The 20, I could see this hitting like the 28 level, 27 level. Okay, understand that. I'll put this right here. Hopefully it doesn't. But if it does, yeah, because it's trending down. So just because there's a huge buyback or a huge buy, at the end of the day, people are only, you are a whale and you're constantly complaining. Imagine people that aren't whales that got in maybe at the top and are look and constantly see that going down, like you're saying, right? Because at the end of the day, it does have to balance out. I do see a type of uptick right here. It could curve up, but realistically, this is probably going to bounce right here and bounce back. This resistance right here has not been flipped. Okay, this resistance has not been flipped. And you see it broke one time right here and it actually got shot back down. Right now is the closest I see that it can actually, the closest I've seen that it could actually shoot up. Let me go ahead and just, let me shoot this to the 15-minute just because it's a little bit more detailed. Okay, and here it is. Look, this is a type of uptrend right here. This is an uptrend, but the whole market is going up. And in fact, if Ethereum is going up, this is gonna go up as well. Now, look at this. Look at this big wick. We don't want to see these wicks like this, okay? And look at this, completely just bearish engulfment right here. Boom. This is very bearish, actually. Even though we had a bullish engulfing that occurred, we had a bearish engulfing return right here. Boom. Hit that. 3 consecutive candles going down, even though, and look at how deep these wicks were. This first wick actually went below this initial green. I don't know if you guys could see this. This Japanese candle right here, this Japanese candlestick right here, boom, shot up. Look, boom, from here, boom, shoom, and then shot back down, closed right here, shot all the way back down before it closed right here. Look at that. Shot up, close, went all the way down. Look how it actually went all the way down. Boom. And then shot back down. Boom. So this is that. And here we have, once again, a formation of a downward Japanese candle. Like I said, it's like I'm saying, though, this is a flip. You can sell right now at 37, get in at 33, and take that risk and actually increase your bad idea by 10%. Think about that. I mean, just, but you have to have the, you know, you have to have the knowledge to do it and the courage to do it and understand the risk that you're taking. Okay, you could do that and this could actually shoot up, and then you're the one complaining that it's always shooting down and it shot up. Or it can go down, just like I have my levels. My levels been there. My levels have been there. Look at this. Look at this. All right, my level was here. It didn't hit it. It didn't hit it. But look, my level was here. I was gonna get in. Boom. Nope, didn't get in. Boom. It was going up, but nope, it's not mean. It's not meme season yet. That's what you guys have to understand. It's not meme season yet. It'll be here, but hold up, look. And then look, this looked like it. This looked like a potential reversal. Boom, boom, boom. Came back up. I thought it might shoot up. Didn't. Got shot back down. Was not able to break this resistance. Has been flirting with this. Try to flip it right here. Nope. Got shot back down. Exploded past here. Nope. Shot back down. Continues to go. Look at this. Continues to go down. Continue. So now we have this channel over here where boom, wasn't able to break that. Boom, shot back down. Was this able to flip now this resistance into a support? It's going sideways. Boom, broke down. What can happen? It can actually break down here to 32. It can. So I'm saying you can sell at 37, get in 32, increase your position by over 10%. That's just something I'm saying, right? Or just get in on this dip. Can it go lower than this? I don't see it going below 27. In fact, let me go ahead and put this. I don't see this going below 27. Okay, so all this is a buy zone, super buy zone. When it touches this anywhere around here, it can potentially explode back to this level. Okay, and this is very, very crucial. This one right here, look at this. It's been holding, boom, boom, right here. Was it able to break it? No, got shot back down. Wasn't able to break that. So it was gonna flirt around the 35 level most likely, or and continue channeling downward unless there's a flip. But right now, that is not the position that that idea is going to find itself in. It just got listed on another exchange. We know that. Okay. We know that. So right now, Gronk, like Dave D is saying, is probably a better bet for you, bro. Like, I mean, that's if that's what you want, you have to understand where to slide in. I think Gronk was at, like, last I checked, it was like at 50 million. Just something to keep in mind. And it's on ETH. So of course. So let's go ahead and see what else we got over here. So let's see. Bad idea and Calcium. If you guys don't know about Calcium, I call it the bastard child of Shiba Inu. Okay. It is a banger play. It is a hidden gem. In fact, it was at extremely low levels. It was at its base floor. Okay. So That being said, it could only go up, in my honest opinion. Let's see where it's at. So it's actually up 22%. And this one is one of those that can and will most likely go absolutely parabolic. Okay. Of course, not financial advice. What the hell just happened here? Oh, damn, that is crazy. Ooh, let me see. Hold up, guys. Mm, come on, bro. What are you doing? Let me see. Bad. Nope. Of course. So let me just go ahead and find calcium real quick. Up 27% according to what that's saying right here. So I was trying to close all those dumbass advertisements, man. But here it is. Regardless, y'all already know calcium sitting at 1 cent and a half, 1.5 cent, and it's one of those plays that, oh, luckily it actually didn't take my levels away. That is actually kind of banger. So we'll see. Look at this. Above that, I see this going up. I see this actually shooting up. Boom, and look, it actually broke that. For in fact, here we can do this. Why not? We can do this. Hold up, let me just see what this is. What this gonna do right here. We have this one right here. About here. Yeah, it's looking like it was right here. Okay, and then this one right here that I had put there actually could be down here. So we have our channel right there. We have our channel right here. Honestly, I see this most likely just going even higher than this parabolic. It could also go down. Look at how much it shot. Boom, it shot back down, but now it's actually reversing. Let's go ahead and zoom in just so we can kind of see what that's looking like even closer. This is calcium, of course. Calcium is one of the official, unofficial tokens. It's the token they told you not to buy. This is the riskiest one out of all the tokens I'm going to talk about. Of course, I don't think it's ruggable, it is decentralized, but it isn't an official token with the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Although right now you see it's up 22%. Okay, it's only at $3.14 million. The total market cap sitting at about 6.28 million. This right here is incorrect. So sitting at about $6.28 million, extremely early. All right, just putting that out there for you guys. And of course, we're gonna check out Bone. In fact, I didn't even tell you guys what the holders were for. Bad idea. But let's go ahead and check out what Bone is also doing. Let me just check real quick. And if you guys want me to check any other play, let me know because I will definitely let you guys know what's up. So Dave D still holding my cow. Yeah, especially right now. I'm not gonna lie, I actually got in. Full disclosure. When this dipped down below 3 million, got into more calcium. Okay, calcium is one of those plays. If you guys don't know about it, do your research. Another one also that on that dip, Paul Zone. Paul Zone dipped crazy. In fact, we should check Paul Zone right now because I believe the market cap was like under $1 million, $2 million or something like that. But before we check Paul's zone, you already know we have to check Bone. What's Bone looking like? Okay, Bone. Bone Shiba Swap market cap sitting at 161 million point 88, okay, $1,000. Circulating supply is 229.91 million with a total supply of 249.99 million tokens. And based on what I'm seeing right now, it's looking like Bone is probably about to shoot up. In fact, it's pushing up right now. This could definitely shoot up to about 73, 74 cents. This is one of those opportunities to potentially look at what Bone is doing, what the future is. Of course, not financial advice, just putting you on plays that I think are so important, so valuable that I do not want any of you guys to miss it. This is the beginning of the bull run. Don't wait till the bull run is in full motion for you guys to wake up and say, let me go ahead and get something. Of course, not financial advice, but in my honest opinion, Bone is one of those hidden gems that will be at least $10. I can see this going to at least $10 this bull run, gonna reach at least $100 in the future. And in my honest opinion, I really do see Bone Shiba Swap reaching past $1,000. Okay, so that's my personal opinion. Of course, not financial advice, but if you see what's happening, some of the Poloniex hack also affected Bone, and they went ahead and sold it. And look, it barely affected the price. It what it did was it just made a trade sideways, went up, went down, and now it's about to start going up. So what's the community really talking about? Well, there's rumors. What are the rumors? I found this from the Crypto Basic, okay? And the rumors are this, that Shiba Inu community clamors for Robinhood to list Shibarium gas token. Imagine um if Robinhood was to list that, it would instantly go to, what the hell, I have a little mosquito here. It would instantly go to at least $1, in my honest opinion, depending on how much they end up getting, because they would have to supply the demand from their clientele. Okay, so it says Shiba Inu community, and this is about Bone Shiba Swap. What is Bone Shiba Swap? Bone Shiba Swap is the gas token for the Shibarium blockchain. The Shibarium blockchain is the layer 2 proprietary blockchain for Shiba Inu. Okay, that is where the entire Shiba Inu ecosystem will eventually relate to, will live on, including the SHIB metaverse. And when we talk about SHIB metaverse, we're talking about also Shiba Swap 2.0, which will interact with Ethereum and the layer 2. Okay, so a type of hybrid. Okay, all this, of course, being brought into fruition and technological reality with the help of the unification team. Do not sleep on Unification Fund. I think was under 20 cents. We can probably check it out if anyone wants to check it out. If not, I have plenty to cover over here. So it says Shiba Inu community members embark on a marketing initiative urging Robinhood to list Bone Shiba Swap Bone, the governance token of Shibarium. Okay, so if you guys didn't know already, Bone is the governance token for technology in the Shiba Inu ecosystem, including Shibarium, the layer 2. So Shiba Inu's marketing lead, Lucy, initiated the move to have Bone listed on Robinhood. In a recent X post, Lucy drew Robinhood's attention to Bone, highlighting the token's utility within the Shiba Inu ecosystem. The marketing specialist informed Robinhood that Bone is the token that powers Shibarium, Shiba Inu's layer 2 scaling solution. Kindly consider listing Bone. Thank you, Lucy said in a statement. In a follow up tweet, another Shiba Inu community member, Jack B, also emphasized that the team has renounced the Bone contract, with numerous investors willing to buy and sell the token on Robinhood since it is listed. Hello, Robinhood, at Robinhood. Remember hashtag ShibArmy? We've got an incredible gas token powering our layer 2 Shibarium, Bone. Kindly consider listing Bone. Thank you. Jack B then replied, and hashtag Bone's contract is renounced. Has a growing number of investors ready, willing, and able to buy, and the cheapest gas fees in crypto. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Shiba Inu community could intensify demand. At press time, Robinhood has yet to comment on whether it will onboard Bone on its platform. However, Robinhood could consider listing Bone due to a similar development that occurred in the past. In 2021, Shiba Inu community members petitioned Robinhood to list SHIB on its trading platform. Interestingly, the online petition, which saw over 3,000 signatures, attracted Robinhood's attention. The trading platform bowed to pressure and listed SHIB last year. If Robinhood continues to ignore calls to list Bone, the community could file another online petition to mount pressure on the firm. Bone surges 3% in 24 hours. Meanwhile, Bone's popularity surged tremendously following the launch of Shibarium. With Bone selected as the official gas token in Shibarium, users are required to pay transaction fees using the asset. At the time of writing, Bone was changing hands at 72 cents, up 3% over the past 24 hours, according to CoinMarketCap data. Since Bone was introduced in 2021, the token has been listed on multiple cryptocurrency exchanges, including OKX, Crypto.com, Mexi Global, Gate.io, BitGet, CoinDCX, LBank, and BingX. The token currently has a 24-hour trading volume of 16.62 million and a market capitalization of $163.05 million. Of course, that right there was updating what Bone is up to. And of course, as you guys can see, it has a lot of potential. They are running that campaign now to get it listed on the Robinhood app. And you guys, that Lucy is a very effective marketer. The entire Sheeb team as a whole forms like Voltron. The community itself starts initiating things. You guys saw what happened with the Shiba Inu hoodies. It was a campaign of over 400 days of tweeting Champion every day about collaborations. And then at the very end, you see that it came to fruition. And with the last tweet, I think, was it the 365th tweet coming from Satoshi himself, showing leadership of the Shibarium team, the Shiba Inu team. All right, let's see if anyone else said anything. If not, I will continue with Shiba Inu and what they're saying about Shiba Inu. Of course, if you guys know about Shiba Inu, you guys know that I believe Shiba Inu is still at over 100x. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what Shiba Inu is up to. So the price of Shiba Inu right now sitting at 926. You guys can't fade this one. This one burns. This one is deflationary. So as the market cap goes up, the amount of burn that occurs on the Shibarium network and the partnerships will reduce the supply. So that means that actually it'll go up higher and quicker than some of these other tokens. It's basically the king of deflationary assets. Shiba Inu is, I'm going on record as saying that Shiba Inu is the king of deflationary assets. Okay, think about that. It's up 9.55% over the past 24 hours. Market cap at $5.46 billion. Liquidity 6.25 million. Circulating supply 589 trillion tokens. Total market cap, the fully diluted market cap, sitting at $9.26 billion. You guys know the total supply was 999.94 trillion, or 1 quadrillion, but the percentage circulating supply is only 58.93. Eventually it'll be 57, eventually it'll be 55, eventually it'll be 52, eventually it'll be 50, then it'll be under 50%. Okay, so the value will be double what the actual market cap would be. So in other words, if that was already at 50%, this sitting at $5.46 billion would actually give Shiba Inu not a $9.26 billion market cap, but would actually have it at 10.92 billion dollars. Okay, just to give you guys an idea of how much just 8.93% makes a difference. Okay, and they're talking about this is going to be burning forever. So we'll see where that eventually leads. Okay, where will it lead in 5 years, 10 years, 15 years? I know some of you guys get scared when you start thinking like that, but if you don't think like that, what's the point of being here? All right, just for a quick pump and dump? Nah, don't do that to yourself. All right, with that said, Shiba Inu projected to hit 2 cents as it spikes to 50926. Here's the possible timeline. Can this happen? Well, let's see what the possible timeline. I'm not going to tell you that Shiba Inu is going to reach 1/100th of a cent. I'm not, or 1 cent within the next year. That's unrealistic. In the future, can it reach it? At first, I said no because of the mathematics required. But then when I did the math and I understood what this actually was trying to accomplish, now I do understand that it can hit 1 cent. Okay. So let's see what this Shiba Inu projection is actually saying. So it says the Shiba Inu dream. Hold on, this is hard for me to dream to claim a 2 cent price might not be mere wishful thinking, according to Telegon, which predicts sheep to hit this target between 2030 and 2040. See what I mean? If you're thinking short term, you're missing the point. Shiba Inu stirred new excitement within its community with its current price action. The token extended its gains by 12.15% overnight to 50926, with its market cap and trading volume touching $5.4 billion and $469 million respectively. This level of growth, which earned SHIB its highest price for the month, has sparked a new wave of optimism. This expectation hinges on the token's prospects of erasing 1 0 in the short term and for it to retest 1 cent in the long term. Tele Telegon's timeline for SHIB to hit 2 cents, acknowledging that Shiba Inu has evolved beyond just its early meme status. Telegon cited the token's integration into payment systems and listing on mainstream exchanges as the basis for its price to hit impressive levels in the long term. According to Telegon predictions, Shiba Inu will likely close this year at a minimum price of 4 zeros 121, implying it will erase 1 0 from its current price level. The platform projected 4 zeros 36 at the best price achievable by SHIB by the end of 2023, with an average of 4 zeros 220. I could definitely see that, my people. By the end of, I could definitely see that. So this is actually more realistic. So Telegon projected further impressive increments for SHIB for 2024 to 2040, at which period it believes SHIB will hit a maximum price of 8 cents, almost 9 cents. Really? That's crazy. Over the years, the SHIB community has nursed the intention of seeing the price of SHIB touch the 1 cent level increasingly. Interestingly, Telegon places the odds of this happening along hitting 2 cents to 8 cents between 2030 and 2040. For the longest, the SHIB community has nursed the intention of seeing the price of SHIB touch the 1 cent level. Okay, hold on. For the strongest SHIB believers with the resolve to hold on to the token, Telegram predicts a massive payoff that might see the token touch an ultimate high of $1.06 by the end of 2050. However, this remains speculative at the reporting time. Okay, so absolutely, the $1 would be crazy if you guys could even hold that long. Preparing for this glorious era, the current advances within the Shiba Inu ecosystem show an ongoing evolution. The team behind the project is not sitting on their oars as they introduce new applications to sustain the token's potential as a utility. While Shibarium comes off as the most hype of the apps, others, including Shiba Swap, play a central role in driving the adoption of Shiba Inu. And should the demand stay elevated, projections might become feasible. That's just something to like far off. Think of the payoff. Okay, so let's see what this is what's happening right here, because the this whole thing is so slow. That's why I stopped doing some of these lives. Um, we'll see what's happening though. Okay, we'll see what's happening right now. So once again, hopefully I'm not frozen. You guys can hear me because I look frozen over here. Um, but I did want to give you guys an update. So for those of you that are looking um, at bad and wondering why it's not going up, it is going up. Like I said, it's not It's not part of the phase right now for it to go up. All right. So right now we are in the Bitcoin phase, we are in the Ethereum phase and large cap phase. So if you are part of the Shiba Inu What up, everyone? I don't even know if this is still on, to be honest. This thing kicked me off, and then while I was talking about Bitcoin and Shiba Inu. So let's see. It's looking like it's on. I guess there's a way I can check. But let me go ahead and just finish reading what I was going to tell you guys. So here is where's it at? So the price prediction for Shiba Inu. Okay, how high it goes. This is by Crypto Ticker English. 2 hours ago, it's a 4-minute read. All right. Oh, and it says network error. So is this even on right now? I don't even know. Here, let's check. Let's double check. Let's just hit this, hit this, and swing all the way over. Yes. Boom. I am on there. All right, cool. Well, with that said, let's hit this. Let's go. All right, cool. So here it is. Shiba Inu. How high will it go? So, table of contents, Shiba Inu prediction. Why is Shiba up? Shiba price prediction. Is Shiba Inu a good buy today? Okay, so Shiba Inu has recently seen a notable surge in its value, with its performance climbing by 16.08% over the past week. Investors are keenly wondering whether this upward trajectory will persist or if a market correction is on the horizon. Join us as we explore the possibilities in the SHIB price prediction analysis. Of course, this is from, like I told you guys, Crypto Ticker from coinmarketcap.com. So the SHIB price prediction, why is SHIB up? Let's see what they say. The price of Shiba Inu has experienced a significant boost, riding the wave of an improving market sentiment, especially fueled by speculative buzz surrounding the potential approval of a Bitcoin ETF. Even though this remains unconfirmed, it has played a role in bolstering prices. Over the last month, SHIB has witnessed a 16.47% rise in its value, showcasing robust buying interest in the market. Currently, Shiba Inu boasts a market capitalization of approximately 5,317,430,580 with its price at 509022. The crypto enthusiasts are buzzing with anticipation as Shiba Inu. Bro, what is going on here? Ah, hold on, let me see this. Let me hit that right there. Let me go back to where I was over here. That was funny. But yeah, see, that's my computer going crazy, my people. All right, cool. So here it is. Let me make sure that I'm on here so I can finish reading this for you guys. Apologies, technical difficulties. My desktop is tripping. All right, cool. So it says crypto enthusiasts are buzzing with anticipation as Shiba Inu, SHIB, a popular meme coin, teeters on the edge of a significant trend reversal. For over a year, SHIB has been caught in a pattern that has kept investors on their toes. But recent developments suggest that this might be about to change. Could we be witnessing the dawn of a new bullish era for SHIB? Shiba Inu prediction. Is Shiba Inu a good buy today? Over the past several months, Sheep's journey has been marked by a series of ups and downs. The coin has been battling a descending resistant line at trend that began back in August 22. This resistance line has been a tough barrier pushing SHIB's price down to notable lows. However, the winds of change seem to be blowing. Shiba Inu is presently regarded as a possibly decent purchase after a period of stabilization and a huge price decrease of 5066.87, the lowest in 2024. With the crypto market on the rise, Sheep's present momentum might be an ideal time to invest. Of course, not financial advice. This is what they're saying. But you can clearly see that this is a clear reversal. This looks like over all these months, look at all these months, over September, August, all that. Look at this. Clear. It looks like it is at an uptrend overall. Okay, of course, not financial advice, but just putting that up there. And it looks like it's actually going near parabolic towards the end right here. And you guys know how that happens. If you haven't seen what occurred with um, Crow's been going crazy. So similar to that, even if they are big market caps, the bigger the market cap, the more confidence that whales have in investing in them. Something for you to keep in mind. So recent technical analysis paint a brighter future for SHIB after being trapped in a downward channel, a common sign of market correction. SHIB has finally made a move. In late October, it surged past this confining trend line, sparking excitement among investors. This breakout was not just a fluke, it was backed by a bullish divergence in the RSI, Relative Strength Index, a key indicator of market momentum. The RSI's climb above the 50 mark is a strong signal that she might be gearing for more substantial gains. Shiba Inu prediction: how high will SHIB go? It may be ambitious to reach the all-time high for Shiba Inu in the remaining months of the year. Buying near support levels, on the other hand, may be a wise decision for investors. With the present trend, a potential objective of 401 appears to be within reach. If this positive trend continues, SHIB could see a significant price surge, potentially increasing by 40%. This would take its value to new heights, breaking free from the long-standing resistance trend. If SHIB fails to overcome certain resistance level, it could face a setback, dropping by as much as 18%. This scenario would reaffirm the coin's existing support levels. So, will SHIB break free from its long-term pattern and embark on a bullish rally? It will succumb to resistance and continue its familiar cycle. Only time will tell. But one thing is certain: the eyes of the crypto world are firmly fixed on Shiba Inu, eagerly awaiting its next move. How to buy SHIB? For those looking to purchase Shiba Inu, BitGet stands out as a reliable platform. It offers a secure and user-friendly environment for trading. That is what CoinMarketCap is saying. This is not financial advice, but that is what the article is saying. Okay, cool. What is Shiba Inu? Shiba Inu is often known as SHIB. It is a decentralized cryptocurrency that falls under the category of quote unquote meme coins. It started as a meme coin and has grown into a thriving ecosystem. Shiba Inu seeks to be the Ethereum based alternative to Dogecoin's crypt based mining process. Okay, so this was from Crypto Ticker English. Okay, something for you guys to keep in mind. And last but not least, if you don't know about this, this is the new newsletter from Shiba Inu. It's called The Sheep. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get the first 1,000 people were able to get a free NFT. All right, a free NFT. I wasn't able to do that, and that is the NFT. But I might try to put that on a shirt, though. Honestly, I should try to put that on a shirt and sell it or something. I don't know if you guys would be interested in that. And then any proceeds from that maybe can go to rewards or giveaways. I don't know. It's up to you guys. This is your community after all. That's why I cover bad as much as I do, because you guys are always hitting me on when that, when this. Okay. So already I was trying to do a 30-minute and I went into an hour. But I did want to give you guys this, okay? What is the SHIB? Okay, here it is, SHIB. SNS name service now on Shibarium, okay? Introducing the SHIB. Greetings, tech enthusiasts and curious minds. Welcome to the SHIB magazine, your gateway to groundbreaking ideas, the latest innovations, and exciting updates within the Shibarium ecosystem and beyond. Get ready to dive into the world of technology, finance, and everything in between as we embark on a journey filled with endless possibilities. It says subscribers can mint the first 1,000 covers for free. All right. Well, what about the next ones? Where can we buy it? I still want one, even if I have to pay. Our vision for the magazine is to transcend the boundaries of a conventional magazine and elevate it into a comprehensive tech magazine. Here at SHIB, we love the crypto world and anything related to blockchain tech. But there is also much more to it. There are vast domains hinging upon these, from the metaverse games that the intern is always trying to make you play to the RPA tools that the accounting department is using. And of course, the AR apps that all the cool kids, aka millennials, are using. The crypto industry can sometimes be self oriented. That's why we want to expand it to other use cases in order to form new potential interactions, synergies, and alliances between different worlds and points of view that have never been put together before, and that might not even like each other that much. NFTs are a good example of that divergence. Some love them, others hate them. No matter if you call them NFT, digital collectibles, or even blockchain objects, the ultimate goal should be to build real use cases for real people. It doesn't matter what tech stack you use or whether you like crypto or not. AI, AR, IoT, and RPA seem like alien words to some, but in this space, we thrive on researching, talking, and even arguing about all the potential applications and futuristic opportunities that these technologies can bring to the human and dog kind. And we would love to share our appetite for it to our beloved community. For an optimal experience, visit news.shib.io. Okay, so that it goes into what to expect from the publication. Okay, and let me just go ahead and cover it. Why not? So it says latest. So what to expect from the publication? Curious about what we have in store for you each week? Here's a taste of what you can expect from the SHIB Weekly. So latest innovations in tech. Stay ahead of the curve with our timely updates on what's new and upcoming in the blockchain and tech world, whether it's an exciting new project, a groundbreaking technology, or a disruptive concept. The SHIB will be your source for staying in the know. So product updates, keep up to date with the evolution of SHIB products on Shibarium and the introduction of new solutions within the ecosystem. We'll keep you informed about the latest developments and improvements that will enhance your experience. Community updates. Learn about the vibrant and passionate SHIB Army. Get a taste of their events, initiatives, and success stories. P.S. Join our community and be a part of a growing network that embraces collaboration. Trending tokens. Our magazine will provide valuable insights into trending tokens within the Shibarium ecosystem. Stay informed about promising projects, investment opportunities, and emerging trends that could shape the future of the industry. Don't let the next hidden gem pass you by. Exclusive interviews, gain unique insights from representative figures, spearheading innovation within SHIB and beyond. Through interviews with industry experts, entrepreneurs, and thought leaders, the SHIB will provide you with invaluable perspectives on the latest innovations and their potential impact on various enterprises. Community contributions. We believe in the power of community engagement and collaboration. That's why we provide a special space for community members to contribute to our magazine. Share your expertise, showcase your project, and let your voice be heard. We're here to amplify your thoughts and ideas, entertainment and creativity. Tech talk doesn't have to be serious all the time. We embrace the fun side of the community. Get ready for a dose of entertainment with memes, photos, and artwork by creative members of the community. Let's embrace our shared passion and enjoy the lighter side of the tech world together. Mint the NFT cover. Every week, the SHIB subscribers will be able to mint the cover of the most recent edition. You can collect them and you will be able to trade them soon. Also, every week, that is banger. I didn't even know that. And advertise with us, okay? Anyone interested in expanding their reach can benefit from this exciting feature of the magazine. We offer comprehensive marketing packages. This includes the opportunity to be featured on the front page or join our influencer network, giving your project maximum visibility. We also offer ad space for those looking to be seen by a vast and varied audience on our platform. Don't miss out on these opportunities to bolster your marketing efforts and bring your organization to new heights. If you are interested in finding out more about our packages, send us an email at ads@shib.io. Don't miss out on the opportunity on the latest updates, insights, and inspirations from the world of SHIB. Subscribe to the SHIB magazine today and receive a weekly copy directly in your inbox. Okay, so there it is. And of course, we can cover other stuff, but as of now, I think that gives you guys a gist of what it is. I actually didn't even know that this was a weekly opportunity to get the NFT. So I might actually have to do a video just on that to alert you guys to that, because that is actually a banger opportunity that I wouldn't want you guys to miss, especially because you will be able to trade them soon. So think about all the people that were lucky enough to mint the cover for free. Congratulations to you guys. I might have to see if one of you guys want to shoot me that and I'll send you some bone. I don't know what the price goes, but I just want to collect it. All right. With that said, Crypto Marxist, aka Bone Army, just came at you. Sorry for the technical difficulties. Got back on. For those of you that stayed on and rocked through, appreciate you guys. If you are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe. If you enjoyed what you saw, go ahead and hit that like. Help me with the algorithm. Of course, bell it up because some of my stuff is time sensitive and urgent. If you want to get notified when videos drop or when I go live, both, of course, are valuable opportunities for you guys to get the latest on these projects related to the Shiba Inu ecosystem. With that said, as I like to say, I'm Bone Army, you're Bone Army. We are the Bone Army, and I'm out. Appreciate y'all. Peace.